Claw coupling. Claw coupling is a disengaging type of coupling in which the driven side can be disengaged from the driver's side whenever needed. Here, the flanges have special projections called claws. The flanges are so assembled that the claws of one flange are located in the recesses formed by the claws in the other. The shaft and the key assemblies are then fitted. The driven flange has a circular groove in which the shifting fork works. Using this fork, the driven flange can be slid over its shaft, thus separating it from the driving flange. Note that for this purpose, parallel keys are used for fitting the driving flange.